Hello, this is Kim and Tina. This screencast will show you how to create a Zoom meeting with your students using your school Google account. So, after you create your Zoom account using your school Google account credentials, you're going to log in and you're going to come to this dashboard. Please make sure you're on the meetings tab here on the left side under the personal section. And when you're in this menu, you're going to see all of the meetings that you have coming up. So I'm on the upcoming tab meeting, and I'm going to click schedule a new meeting, and I'm going to give it a topic title. So the topic title is going to be, maybe period six, and then lecture on, I don't know, plant cells. All right, and you can give it a description here as well. Date and time. You can change your duration if you'd like. Make sure the meeting ID is set to generate automatically. And right here, you need to enable or check off require meeting password. And this number gets generated automatically with random numbers, and that password is built into the Zoom meeting link that you will share with your students. So please make sure whenever you're connecting with your students that you enable require meeting password. Video, host and participant, make sure that's on. Audio, make sure it's on to booth or booth is checked off. For students, if you want, this is an option. You can mute the participants upon entry so that um, they're automatically muted until you release that from them. Or you can enable a waiting room, but there's really no need for that. I would just definitely use your judgment and maybe mute the participants upon entry. Then you click save. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this URL address, which is right here. Okay, so I can copy this. There's a link right here that says copy the invitation, but I'm going to actually just copy this link here. So I'm going to highlight it, Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go into Google Classroom. I'm going to go into my demo class, and you can create an assignment if you'd like. So I'm just going to put, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the link. So I'm going to paste the link in here and hit add. And of course, you're going to want to give directions to your students so that they know what to do. And you're going to want to also give it a topic maybe for the day. Um, so that you know that that session meeting goes along with that day. And I'm going to click assign. And now you can see I have a topic of 326 with my lecture for my for my Zoom meeting, which is here in the assignment. All right. So all the kids would have to do is go into Google Classroom and find that assignment and click on that link, and they'll have access to your lecture session. All right. I hope you found this screencast helpful.